Hi, this is Brian M. Kern from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in upstate New York, and I'm doing existing condition drawings of this old farmhouse. I'll pan around a little bit. So the new owner bought this about 2 years ago. It's bought the whole farm, so it's a whole farm property. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna renovate the place. Need some work. So let's see. I'm creating exterior elevation drawings. I'm creating floor plan drawings, reflected ceiling plan drawings, and electrical plans. I'll just briefly walk you around. So this is living room, fireplace, another fireplace there, dining room, kitchen. We have another room in there, and then upstairs we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. So this is what I'm working on today. I thought I'd just show you around. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether they're upstate or in the city or out in the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thanks for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.